What's up, everybody? Big Herc 916, and you're tuned in to another edition of my vlog. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel by now so that you can enjoy all this great content. You know, I'm all about positivity and motivation. And about to do a road trip in a green machine, man. Yeah, she's about to go on the road. A lot of people always ask me, can you daily drive an old school muscle car? And the answer is yes, but not in the condition it was made back in the 60s or 70s. It'd be a rough ride. The handling's a little harsh, and the car is just not that comfortable. Old school suspension will beat the heck out of you. The gearing was a lot different back then as far as for getting good gas mileage. AC, it worked, but didn't work as great as it does now. So there's some things you got to do to bring your car up to date as far as comfortability, drivability, dependability when it comes to old school. So I'm gonna go over a few things as far as what I did to the green machine, and I'm gonna document this trip, man. I'm about to head to my old neighborhood, North Highlands in Sacramento, and go visit some family. But I'm gonna take the green machine up there. Haven't took it up to Sac yet. Let him kind of trip off the resto mod, and have some fun while I'm up there. Stay tuned. So this is my baby, the green machine. She's been a work in progress, and to get her to this point, man, it's probably taken me 4 years and 6-7 mechanics, man. You run into a lot of dirt balls out there as far as working on cars. They think they know what they're doing. They don't know what the hell they're doing. Take your money, and you find out after you go to another mechanic that the job they did was shit. So that's been the story of my life. I had to have the transmission done probably 4 times. No, actually probably 5 times, because the transmission I had in there originally had it built up. Well, that one went out. Then I took it to another guy who was a piece of shit, and he didn't know what the hell he was doing. I want to split his wig so damn bad, man, but I don't want to go to jail. You know what I mean? Cameras and shit. I don't want to get caught up and go to jail, catch a case over splitting this dude's wig, man. But he had me fucking hot. I took it to another guy, found out that the guy, the torque converter he's putting in there was garbage, and just the work was less than par. But then after taking it to this guy, and the tranny went out twice, I found out he didn't know what the hell he was doing. So it just never stops, man. I mean, these guys, man, claim they know what the hell they're doing and don't know what the hell they're doing. So I got a 4L60E with red line clutches, 2800 stall. The car is a monster now. Got a warranty on it. Shout out to Leon's Transmissions in Reseda. He did a great job, and the car runs like butter now, man. I got Corvette disc brakes, front and back, new tech wheels. I got coilovers, QA1 coilovers, Needle NT5 tires. I got a kind of like a 4-link setup in the back for the rear suspension. HID lights. What else? A turn 1 steer box. Savisky. Frame support in the back, and frame support in the front. I don't know if you can see it down there. You kind of see it right by the intercooler, but that makes a world of difference. And the turn 1 steering box made a world of difference since I didn't go with a rack and pinion setup. Hotchkins front and back, sway bars, Savisky adjustable control arms, lower, 3-inch exhaust. It's got a LQ9 supercharged 6.0 motor. I'll let you guys take a look at that here in a minute. The car's a monster, man. Got the white guts with the green stitching. Wifey helped pick out the interior. Got the towel on the seat because, you know, this car always gets dirty because of the white, but I love it, man. The white just really pops. Odometer digital gauges, touch screen, stereo, Bluetooth, B&M shifter, power windows, AC. Got a couple outlets up there for different plugs. Got the kicker speakers and the rocker panels. 6x9s in the back. Like I said, the interior in this thing is butter. They did a really good job on interior. I didn't have no problems with that. I'll go ahead and take a peek under the hood and you guys can check out what I did to the, as far as the engine. It's running a 2006 GTO ECU, which can read the supercharger. So this is the heart of the car. You got the Edelbrock E4 supercharger, Hedman headers, Canyon filter, custom Summit radiator, custom pulley setup, Hydra boost, Willwood, a master cylinder. A lot of work went into this to get it to where it's at, man. Dude, you just don't realize how much you gotta play with stuff to get it to all work together when you're building a car, rather than buying something off the shelf. You see the turn one steering box right there? That thing's so critical as far as handling on this car. It makes such a world of difference. And then you see the support bar going across there, which stiffens the front end. And I don't get a lot of that sway like I used to get. But this car, man, it's just so fun to drive, and I get a lot of compliments in it. Even though a lot of the car shows out here in LA, you know, you gotta have a supercar to park certain places, but I don't give a damn, you know what I mean? I do my thing, have fun, man. And you know, the Green Machine has earned its keep. It's been in a movie, been in a couple music videos. So she's doing her thing, man. The Green Machine. She's handling her business. Get a good look at her. So stay tuned. I'm gonna document this trip and have fun in a Green Machine on my way to Sacramento. Got that backup camera. See, a lot of y'all don't know about the old school with the backup camera. You can see everything, man. Modernized. So there's not a whole lot to see on the road to Sacramento when you take the 5 heading north. A lot of cow shit and just dirt hills. I just stopped for my first round of gas, down to about a quarter tank. The Green Machine's getting decent gas mileage. I'm a little, probably almost halfway there. So, you know, get back on the road and make my way to the city. But I just thought I'd stop and check in with you guys and let you know that all is well. We rolling, old school, hitting, like I said, this is a one-way trip, close to 380 miles. So yeah, old school doing her thing. So yeah, the Green Machine is handling her business, man. She's staying cool, AC blowing, all the gauges and everything seem to be on point, and Just left the gas station, and it's all good, man. She's been averaging a cool little speed. I don't want to tell on myself, but she's getting the job done. So, you know, having an old school isn't that bad if you got them, you know, tuned up correctly so that they can run. And, you know, my baby been running, man. So we on our way, still on the road to Sacramento. And if you look and see the view out here, ain't nothing to look at. It's a bunch of dirt hills and cow shit. So we rolling. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Also subscribe to the YouTube, the Instagram, Big Herc 916. So I made it to Sac. Took probably a little over, well, about 6 hours. Cause we stopped a few times, and you know, had to take a pee break, get gas, eat, all that stuff. It's probably a lot easier to fly here to Sacramento, but I figured I'd bring the car out here, take Grandpa for a ride. It's his birthday weekend. I think he's 85, 86, something like that. Anyways, I figured I'd give him a ride, and you know, no telling how many more birthdays he's gonna have. So I've, you know, show him the car. He's a car guy, so he would appreciate it. And that's my real reason for driving all the way out here, 6 hours, to kind of let everybody see what's cracking. But yeah, man, having an old school. A lot of people trailer their shit. I don't trailer my car, I drive it. This thing has been on the road consistently, and it's dependable, you know what I mean? I can get up and go. So you can daily drive a muscle car, and you can you know, GT a muscle car. You know, it just depends on what you do to it. You know, like I said, my car, I've done it from inside out, and I got to where it's at now. It took me about 4 years, but back in my hometown now. Gonna find somewhere to go eat. I'm hungry, and gotta go wash that ass and then get ready for the evening. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, support. You're a car guy. Let me know what you think of the Chevelle, the Green Machine, and you know, let me know what you push, man. Holler at you, Big Herc 916. Wash your ass. Go wash your ass. Go to BigHerc916.com and pick you up a bar of soap and wash that funky. Wash that ass. Stop walking around with a crusty butt, smelly ball sack, and a funky hoo-ha. Big Herc said wash that ass. Pick you up a t-shirt at FreshOutSeries.com.